Okay, so a quick video because I have been looking at purchasing. I want to do a big Class A project, and I'd like to purchase a nice big aluminum amplifier chassis. But I've been looking at all the shops in China, and I noticed that they are, a couple $100, and I thought before I get ripped off and send a bunch of money overseas and get some flimsy aluminum thing, I would buy something a little bit more affordable from one of the same sellers that claims to be substantial aluminum, and see how that turns out. And so what I did is I got one of the smallest amplifier chassis you can get, aluminum, just to see what it is. I actually bought a second one because I like it so much from the same seller. Then I bought a slightly larger one from a different seller. So I already spent over $100 just trying to get 3 of these things. But just from first take, man, I am really, really impressed. The thickness and weight of the aluminum. You can see it's kind of that brushed black aluminum. I mean, it is really, really nice. The knobs are real nice. And I guess one thing I'd like to contrast this is an actual, amplifier chassis versus, they have those kind of project boxes, which when you see this, the image of this is kind of what it looked like as one of these project boxes. I'll see if I can show it up there. That are real kind of flimsy aluminum. They used to sell them at some of the electronic stores just kind of for gadgets, and this is absolutely not that. This thing weighs probably a couple pounds. It is very substantial. One thing I didn't like is, of course, it's pre-drilled, for a 2-channel amp. So you've got your 2 speaker terminals and then your 2 RCA connections, and power, of course. But so, now that I've got this, I need to come up with a project. So I was looking around at all the different amplifier boards I've got that might fit in here. This is, I think, 2092. This is 8954. No room for power. And then I stumbled upon, I still got these. This is, I think, a 7924 or 7294, something like that. And it's going to fit in there real nice. I think I'm going to get a switched power supply board and put it in there. I've got some smaller transformers that would fit. That's like the biggest one, I think. If I cut those off, that would fit. But so anyway, just I want to relay. Really impressed with the quality of these Chinese aluminum ones from the the big sellers, and I will be putting together a project to build this out in the next couple weeks. So if you're interested, I'll try to get a couple videos together on that. All right, thanks everybody. Hope you're doing well.